guys, I'm heading to Hermes to check out some of the hats. And yeah, let's come with me. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monique. If you're new to this channel, I upload videos weekly about style and travel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you'd like to take the time and subscribe. As you can see behind me, we have orange boxes, so you know what today's video is going to be. It is another Hermès haul. So this haul is not just from one visit, it was from two separate visits, but I decided to just combine them together into this video. Okay, I'm gonna start with the smallest item. So the first item is this book. I'm sure you're probably familiar with this book. This is Hermès Straight from the Horse's Mouth, and this book is always available in the store. And so they were displaying it with the small leather goods section. So I saw this one and I knew I've always wanted to purchase this. So when I saw this being displayed, I asked my SA if I can have one of these as well. So this is the book, and this is a great gift in my opinion because this book is $25. So it's a really good gift. I love books and I love hardcover books. The cover feels like fabric with a beautiful illustration. This is a great like stocking stuffer or like a gift. If you are looking for a gift at Hermès, you can find something for $25. Next, we have something in this box. You could probably guess by the shape of the box. I did, of course, got another scarf for spring and summer, and this time I got this one. So this is a very classic print in Hermès. I think they've done this in the size 90 in the past, but this is the size 70. If you haven't watched my video about my Hermès scarf collection and how I style them, I'm gonna link that video down below. So this print is called Pampa, and it is a very classic Hermès design. You know, it's equestrian, it's horses, saddles, you know, it is so beautiful. This color combo is a very nice neutral. I know that I wanted something that is neutral, and I've been looking for something neutral for a while. Even though whenever I check out their scarves, I get distracted by the other colors, but I stick to the neutral. I was looking for this in the navy and also the green color, which are beautiful. And they didn't have those colors, but they had this and the pink. And I know I don't want pink. And I really wanted something also that is really classic Hermès, because the last scarf that I got was a bit more modern and it was like colorful for spring. So I want something that is classic, something that will go with everything, and it's also a good neutral. It has the red border to give it a little bit of a contrast. It's just so pretty. So goes like that. I think it's a beautiful neutral. I love it. It's something I can wear with a lot of pieces in my collection, and I definitely don't have this color. If you haven't checked out the 70 size scarf, I highly recommend. I love this size, and it is a great everyday size. I feel like sometimes I love it even more than the 90 scarf because it's lighter. All right, next we have something in this box. And here it is. You could probably tell from the two dust bags what is inside. Okay, so it is the belt in the size 13. I got it in the black and the gold color because I don't have a gold belt in my life, and I also really wanted a size 13 belt, which is a slimmer one than my size 26, because when I'm wearing more dressy pants, like more of trousers, I think this looks better than the 26. 26 is a little bit more casual in my opinion. So this is the 26 in comparison to the 13. 13 is definitely way thinner, and I have the 26 in black and a taupe, and so I wanted something that has gold as well, but I still want the black side as well. I love my 26 and I wear this a lot. I wear this anytime I need to wear a belt for my pants, but at the same time I'm also kind of over the H buckle at the moment. Don't get me wrong, I still love my belt and I still wear this. I'm not just gonna put it in the closet and not wear it. I still wear this belt, and this is a great size for like jeans and something that's more casual like that. But for something that's a little bit more high-waisted fit, pants that are like a little bit more dressy, I wanted something that is in this size. And I don't have the gold as well. I know everybody loves the Kelly belt. I was actually offered that belt when I was in Brussels. I'm not really interested in that belt for some reason. A regular Hermès belt is usually reversible. So it's like you were getting two belts at the same time. And the Kelly belt, I feel like everyone has that belt at the moment. I love the design of the Kelly belt, but I'm not like in love with it. You know, I feel like a lot of people are really obsessed about getting that belt. I feel like I'm okay because I have the 26 and I think the Kelly is like 18. I wanted something that's like thin, like this. So this is the buckle that I chose. So if you're new to the Hermès belt, you purchase them separately. So it's the buckle and the leather. So you can mix and match. There's so many different varieties of buckles, and there's so many different color combinations that you can choose, but you cannot just buy the buckle. So you can always buy extra leather strap if you want other colors, but you can't only buy the buckle. So the buckle has to come with a strap. So you have to choose wisely. Now my 26mm belt is in the rose gold, and I have another Hermès belt that is in the palladium hardware. I wanted something in the yellow gold, so I chose this one. I tried on a few of them in this size, and I think I like this the most. I have a scarf ring in this design as well. I've always loved the horsebit design. I think in Hermès they call it the heritage design. Yes, it does look kind of like the Gucci horsebit, but my essay was saying like, actually no, we did it first because this is equestrian and we have been doing this since the 1800s. So who am I to disagree, right? So I've always loved the Gucci horsebit anyway, so I don't mind that this is looking a little bit similar to that. And I guess Hermès did it first. So since it's reversible, you can do it on the gold part or on the black part. And it looks like that. It's just very pretty and very dainty. You could also ask them to add more holes should you need to for sizing. Last but not least is in this box. Let's open it up. There you go. We have another sticker here. I'm just gonna slide it out to reveal this hat. This is the Deauville hat in the color Nata, and this one is Swift leather, which is super smooth. It's so smooth. And then this is the toile on the top, which is the cotton. Love this. This one comes in pink as well. The last time I was there, I purchased a hat which is in the pink, in the same style, but it was pink cotton, and it has the print of the anchor throughout. And I've been wanting to try that hat for a long time, but unfortunately it was only available online. so they didn't have it in the store because it's an older stock, and I'm not even sure if they had it in the beginning when it first came out. So what we did was that we ordered online through my essay, and I had it delivered to my house, and then I tried it on, and I actually like that hat, but also at the same time I know that this hat is coming and I like this hat as well. So I asked him if he could like grab me the size 56 and 57 to try on and then compare. So he did. So I had my pink hat with me, which I know I liked, but I know that I'm not gonna keep both of them just because I have the style. I have a similar style of this hat in the navy, which I love, and I don't think I can justify having 3 hats in the same style in 1 year. You know, I think that's a little excessive. As much as I love the pink as well, I think this one works better for me color wise. I was trying to create outfits for the pink one, and it is something that I really have to put effort into, as opposed to just the Nata one, and I can wear this with anything, literally anything. It's the same thing with my navy hat. It goes with everything, and I'll insert the picture of the pink one, but this one as well goes with everything, and it's so chic. For some reason this one is in the size 56 for me. I tried on the 57, it's a bit too big, so this one runs big. If you are interested in this hat, this one runs big, because my other 2 hats, they're size 57 and they fit completely fine, but this one is in the 56. Now let me show you the info of the hat if you are interested. They're on the website as well at the moment. So pretty, very, very chic. It has this little button on the side that says Hermès. What sold me as well is the beautiful, beautiful leather part here, and the color Nata. It's just so beautiful. I know everyone is crazy about the color Nata, but I don't think I can do a bag in the color Nata just because I'm so afraid of color transfer. But a hat I feel like I can do. So this is just how it looks like. I can have my hair just in a bun even, and yeah, it's a good like summer, it's a good summer hat. I'm glad that we ordered the pink one so I can try it in person, and then I'm glad also I went back to the store and try on this one and make the decision that I love this one more. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below if I made the right choice. I'll insert the picture of the pink hat. Okay, so that is my haul for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!